Other. Alright.
Do you like the ducky?
Spice mix.
So put the ducky back. Put the ducky. Take it. You can take that. You can
Well,
touch
now
it.
she's like, oh, now I can touch the stuff. Before you were all like, don't touch the stuff.
Yeah. Bring it.
Which one do you want? Which one? Huh? This one? Yeah. Or this one? Which one? This one? Oh.
You do it.
Squeeze it.
Good girl.
There's none left.
Okay, so
There's only this one left. That's it.
this is the one she likes. Quack, quack, quack.
She likes quack quacks.
Quack, quack.
There are no more over there.
Quack, 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 quack.
Which one?
You want it?
Which one did you want?
Natalie, here.
There's no more over there.
Mommy's got it.
They're over here. That one? No. That one? Which one? This one? Squeeze it.
Grandma, squeeze it. Look how she does
No.
that.
It's so
Take it to Daddy. Let
It's
Daddy
so
do it.
scary
Take it
when
to
you-
Daddy.
Here,
Oh,
Grandma.
okay.
Want Grandma to do it? She wants Grandma to do it. There's
Yeah.
one. Which one?
Which one?
The loon? You want to see the loon? She's like, I can't kill this one. Oh, do you hear doggy? Bark, bark?
Here, Natalie.
Nope,
you can
distracted.
Put it in the
There was a dog barking. She's like, what's out there? Wait. Don't push on the screen.
oh, that's good.
Actually, I don't care. It's not my screen.
Here, go take this to Grandma. You gonna shut the door? Go take that to Grandma. Natalie.
She's like, but the door is open. You have to have doors closed.
You know, look how she knows to step on her tiptoes if she wants
Wait.
to get higher.
If you see here, let's see if she's doing. Natalie, here, take the key. Take the key. Go open the door. You unlock the door? No. Here, go unlock the door. Unlock the door. Put the key in. Key.
She's like, but these aren't the same doorknobs.
She's like, well, these aren't doorknobs. They don't have keys